Bird flu, or H5N1, has been making headlines, but how does it affect your food safety? Let's break it down. According to experts, the risk of contracting bird flu from properly cooked eggs, poultry, or pasteurized dairy products is extremely low. Cooking kills the virus, so always ensure your food reaches safe temperatures. However, raw milk and unpasteurized dairy products pose a higher risk. The H5N1 virus can survive in raw milk, so it's best to avoid these products during outbreaks. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands, utensils, and surfaces after handling raw eggs or poultry to prevent cross-contamination. Stay safe, stay informed. Stick to pasteurized dairy and properly cooked foods to protect yourself from bird flu. Thanks for watching. For more tips on food safety, subscribe and stay tuned.